Life is unpredictable. Sometimes everything goes according to plan, and sometimes unexpected expenses appear out of nowhere. A car repair, a medical bill, a sudden job change. That's why having a rainy day fund is one of the most important financial habits you can develop. A rainy day fund, also known as an emergency fund, is money set aside specifically for unexpected expenses. It's not for vacations, it's not for shopping, it's for life's surprises. The goal of this fund is simple: financial stability and peace of mind. When emergencies happen, people without savings often rely on credit cards or loans, which can create long-term financial stress. But when you have a financial cushion, those same situations become much easier to handle. Why it matters. Financial experts typically recommend saving 3 to 6 months of basic living expenses. But here's the important part: you don't have to start with a large amount. Even small savings can make a big difference. Starting with $10, $20, or $50 at a time can gradually build a strong financial safety net. Practical steps. If you want to start building a rainy day fund, try these steps. First, open a separate savings account dedicated only to emergencies. Second, automate small deposits each week or month so saving becomes consistent. Third, reduce small unnecessary expenses and redirect that money toward your savings goal. Over time, those small contributions add up. A rainy day fund is not just about money. It's about peace, security, and confidence in your financial future. Start where you are, save what you can, and build the habit of preparing for life's unexpected moments. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from building stronger financial habits.